How to use Slack messaging. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and select a channel or direct message, DM, where you want to send a message. Slack organizes communication into channels, for groups, and direct messages, for one-on-one conversations. Pick the right place to send your message based on its importance. 2. Type your message in the chat box. If you want to format it, you can use bold text by surrounding words with asterisks, like this, or italic text by using underscores, like this. This helps make your messages stand out in busy conversations. 3. Use mentions to get someone's attention. Type at symbol followed by the username, like at John, and Slack will notify them. You can also mention at here to notify active members in a channel, or at channel to alert everyone, even if they're offline. 4th, organize conversations using threads. Instead of replying directly in the channel, hover over a message and click Reply in Thread. This keeps conversations neat and avoids clutter, making it easier for team members to follow discussions. 5. Attach files, links, or emojis to make your message more engaging. Click the paperclip icon to upload documents, drag and drop images, or paste a link directly into the chat. Slack automatically generates previews for supported links, making it easy to share information. 6. Use the built-in reminder feature to set up follow-ups. Click the 3-dot menu on a message, then select Remind me about this. Choose a time for Slack to notify you about the message later, ensuring you don't forget important discussions. 7. If you need to send a message at a later time, use scheduled messaging. Instead of sending it immediately, click the arrow next to the send button and choose a time. This feature is useful when messaging teammates in different time zones or planning ahead.